Hello class. In this learning module, we're going to be learning about functions. Functions are pieces of code that can be shared. And before we get into that, I have the campus map of STCC, which you can see. And generally, I'm teaching building 2. I teach in building 2 is what I'm trying to say. There's also building 13 where a lot of the English classes happen. 17 is where the math class is and sometimes history and that kind of stuff. Here's the main entrance. So if you've ever been to our campus, or if you've not been to our campus, I'm going to pose a question to you and see if you can answer it. So if I'm in building 2, and a majority of the students are also in 13 and 17, and of course the health science is over here in 20, I ask you, why doesn't each of these 4 buildings have a cafeteria in it? Think about that for a minute. Why would they not have a full-service cafeteria in 4 different buildings? And if you said costs, the cost to have 4 different full-service cafeterias, plus all the employees, all the food, you need someone to ring out all the customers, you need someone to cook the food, someone to order the food. So it makes sense to have one cafeteria in building 2. And when students from 13 need food, they leave 13, go to 2, get their food and come back. 17, students and faculty can leave building 17 and go to 2 and come back to 17 with their food. So they transfer out, right? They leave 20, walk across campus to 2, grab some food, and they return back to where they came from. So think of functions in Python as you put your code in a centralized place where people can leave one part of a program, go to that function, do something, and come back.